Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to Diet and Exercise. Today, we're all about sweating it out, smiling through the challenges, and making fitness an enjoyable part of your daily life. Whether you're just starting or looking for a fresh dose of motivation, this video is packed with practical tips and ideas to inspire your fitness journey. Remember, a healthier, happier you is just a workout away. So let's dive in and make every drop of sweat count. Find joy in movement. Exercise doesn't have to feel like a chore. The key to sticking with fitness is finding activities that make you smile. Love dancing? Try Zumba or a dance workout. Enjoy nature? Go for a hike or a bike ride. The goal is to explore different forms of exercise until you find what you truly enjoy. When you love what you do, consistency becomes natural, and you'll look forward to every workout. Fitness is about more than physical results. It's about having fun, feeling good, and creating a sustainable habit that enhances your life. Morning workouts. Energize your day. Starting your day with a workout can set the tone for a productive and positive day. Morning exercises, like a brisk walk, yoga, or a quick HIIT session, boost your metabolism and release endorphins to elevate your mood. For those pressed for time, even a 15-minute body weight routine can work wonders. Squats, push-ups, and planks can kickstart your metabolism and build strength. A major benefit of morning workouts is the sense of accomplishment they bring. Knocking out your fitness goals early gives you a confidence boost that carries through the day. Plus, exercising in the morning reduces the likelihood of skipping your workout due to unexpected events or fatigue later in the day. For beginners, start with light stretches or a short walk, gradually building intensity as you adapt. Combine your morning workouts with mindfulness practices like deep breathing to prepare your mind and body for the day ahead. Strength in small steps. Fitness transformation doesn't happen overnight, but every small step counts. Start with achievable goals, like 10 minutes of exercise a day, and gradually increase as you build endurance. For example, if you're new to running, begin with a mix of walking and jogging. Each week, extend the jogging intervals and shorten the walking breaks. Over time, you'll surprise yourself with how far you've come. Celebrate every milestone, whether it's running your first mile, lifting heavier weights, or mastering a new yoga pose. Progress, no matter how small, keeps you motivated and moving forward. Keeping a fitness journal to track your progress can also help you stay on track. Write down what you did, how you felt, and any improvements you notice. Consistency over time leads to big changes, so remember to focus on the journey rather than the destination. Fuel your body with purpose. Your body is your powerhouse, and it needs the right fuel to perform at its best. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including lean proteins, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Pre-workout snacks like a banana with peanut butter provide energy, while post-workout meals should include protein for muscle repair. Examples of post-workout meals are grilled chicken with quinoa or a smoothie with spinach, berries, and Greek yogurt. Hydration is equally important. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support recovery and overall health. If plain water isn't appealing, try infusing it with slices of cucumber, lemon, or mint for a refreshing twist. Avoid highly processed foods and sugary snacks, as they can lead to energy crashes. Instead, opt for nutrient-dense options like nuts, seeds, and whole grain snacks. A well-nourished body not only performs better, but also recovers faster, helping you stay on track and feeling energized. Embrace rest days. Rest is as important as the workouts themselves. Overworking your body without proper recovery can lead to fatigue and injuries. Schedule rest days to allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Active recovery activities like light yoga, stretching, or a leisurely walk can help alleviate soreness and keep you feeling fresh. Sleep is another essential component of recovery. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. During sleep, your body repairs tissues, replenishes energy stores, and releases growth hormones that aid in recovery. Create a bedtime routine that includes relaxation techniques, such as reading or meditating, to improve sleep quality. Fitness for mental clarity. Exercise isn't just about physical health. It's a powerful tool for mental well-being. Regular workouts reduce stress, improve mood, and boost self-confidence. Activities like running, swimming, or even dancing triggers the release of endorphins, promoting a sense of happiness. Mind-body exercises like yoga and Tai Chi enhance mindfulness, helping you stay present and focused. If you're feeling overwhelmed, a quick workout can help clear your mind. Even a short burst of activity, like a 10-minute jog or a series of jumping jacks, can elevate your mood. Over time, incorporating fitness into your routine can help combat anxiety and depression. Pair physical activity with journaling or gratitude practices to deepen its positive effects. By prioritizing your mental health through movement, you'll find it easier to tackle life's challenges with a clear and positive mindset. Mixing it up. Avoiding workout routines. Variety is the spice of fitness. Doing the same workout every day can lead to boredom and plateaus. Mix up your routine with different activities such as strength training, cardio, yoga, or outdoor sports. Trying new exercises not only keeps things exciting, but also challenges your body in new ways, leading to improved overall fitness. Community and accountability. Fitness is more fun with friends. Join a fitness class, find a workout buddy, or participate in an online fitness community to stay motivated and accountable. Sharing your progress and challenges with others creates a sense of camaraderie and support. Group activities like boot camps or team sports foster connections while keeping you active. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals inspires you to push harder and stay consistent. For example, participating in a charity run or a fitness challenge can give you a sense of purpose while promoting teamwork. Online communities, social media groups, and fitness apps also offer a platform to connect with others who share your goals. Together, you can achieve more and celebrate every success along the way. Tracking progress and celebrating wins. Keeping track of your fitness journey helps you stay focused and motivated. Use a fitness tracker, journal, or app to monitor your workouts, nutrition, and progress. Celebrate every achievement, whether it's hitting a new personal record, losing inches, or simply feeling stronger. Rewards don't have to be extravagant. Treat yourself to a new workout outfit or a relaxing spa day. Visual reminders of your progress, like photos or measurements, can also help you stay on track. Set specific, measurable goals and break them into smaller milestones. For example, aim to increase the weight you lift by a certain amount each month or run an additional kilometer each week. Recognizing your efforts and progress reminds you of why you started and keeps you inspired to continue. The bigger picture: fitness as a lifestyle. Fitness is more than a goal. It's a lifelong journey. It's about creating habits that enhance your quality of life. Beyond the gym, incorporate movement into your daily routine. Take the stairs, walk to nearby destinations, or stretch during work breaks. Focus on the long-term benefits such as improved health, increased energy, and a sense of accomplishment. By making fitness a non-negotiable part of your lifestyle, you'll continue to grow stronger, healthier, and happier every day. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Surround yourself with positive influences, keep learning, and never stop challenging yourself. A fit lifestyle is a gift that keeps on giving, enriching your life in countless ways. We hope today's video inspires you to sweat, smile, and repeat as you embrace your fitness with joy and purpose. Remember, every workout is a step toward a healthier, happier you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fitness inspiration. Let's continue building a community that motivates and uplifts each other. Until next time, keep smiling and keep moving. You've got this.